In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use index collect in Smartsheet. We'll walk through how index works to pull values from a column by position, and then pair it with match so you can return the exact value tied to an item. An essential pattern you'll reuse whenever you expand into index with filters like collect. First, head to Smartsheet and open your homepage. From there, open the sheet or project where your data lives. You'll see columns such as product, price, and stock. In Smartsheet, writing product, product, or price. Price references the entire column, which makes formulas both powerful and easy to maintain. Let's start by retrieving the third product in the product column. Click an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type index, product on product 3, and press enter. Index returns the value at the position you specify, and Smartsheet counts from top to bottom starting at 1. You should now see the third product name populate. In our example, that third product is headphones. If your sheet has a header row, don't worry. Smartsheet's column reference handles the structure, so you just use the row number you want from the data area. Next, let's pull a price by position. Click another empty cell and type index price 2, then press enter. This returns the second value from the price column. You should see the second price appear. Here it's 150. A quick tip, numbers will return as numbers, so you can format them as currency if your column type is set accordingly. Now, retrieve a stock value the same way. Click an empty cell and enter ESOD index stock 4. Press enter and you'll get the fourth value from the stock column. In our example, that's 25. If you ever see an error, double check that the column name matches your sheet exactly and that the index number isn't higher than your list length. Finally, let's combine index with match to look up a price by product name. Click an empty cell and type index price match, monitor, product 0. Press enter. Here's what's happening. Match searches the product column for monitor and returns its exact position because we used 0 for an exact match. Index then uses that position to return the corresponding price from the price column. If the product name isn't found, match will produce an error, so be sure spelling matches your sheet and use straight quotes around the text. That's it. You've seen how to use index by position and how pairing it with match lets you return the precise related value you need.